Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the built-in generic types exclude utility type in the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the exclude utility type in the TypeScript is used to create a new type by excluding from the given union type T and those types that are assignable to the another type U. In other words, it filter out the types from the T that are compatible with U. Basically, here we are just excluding from a given union type T for those that are assignable to the another type. Those are assignable, we are going to exclude that one. Okay, so let's take an example. So here you can see that, the T union type from which you want to exclude type. Okay, so basically the T here, the union type from which you want to exclude, those you want to exclude, you have to mention it over here, color. So color you want to exclude, the U type which you want to filter out and exclude compatible types. So here you can see that the secondary colors we have mentioned the green. Okay, this I want, here we have a color and the primary color, so the red and the blue. Okay, so the red and blue is, both of them are here, but we are adding the exclude, means exclude this one. Okay, whatever the red and the blue is there, we have to exclude this one and return the new type. Okay, so here we have the mention already that the T, here you can see that the color, the union type from which you want to exclude types, from which you want to exclude the type. So this is basically from which you want to exclude the type, and the U, the type to which you want to filter. Okay, and exclude the compatible types. So this is compatible types. Okay, from primary colors this is compatible, so you want to exclude it from this color. So what you will receive, the green. So this is assignable. If you assign the red blue, so it will throw the error. Okay, so here we are using the exclude. In the previous we are using the extract. So basically extract, you can say that what the values exist in the previous, get me into that one. Here we are just removing that value that is matches. Okay, and those not matches, return me that one. Okay, so here the main line is exclude the compatible types, those are matches, exclude that one. Okay, so here you can see that where we have a two types of colors, primary and the color is a union type representing the various colors, and the primary color represents the primary colors, which is a subset of the color. We use the exclude color primary iterative type to create a new type secondary colors by excluding the type from the color. So here we are excluding the type color, which color, red and the blue. So what is left, that is green, so we are returning that one. When we declare the variable of the type secondary colors, we can only assign the values that are green. Attempting to assign the red results in the TypeScript error. So this is the exclude utility type. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.